A full wave rectifier circuit with diodes D1 and D2 is shown in the figure. If input supply voltage V in is equal to 220 sin 100 pi t volt, then at t equal to 15 millisecond, what will happen to the diodes? That is, which diode will be forward bias or reverse bias? We have to find at t is equal to 15 millisecond. So we first calculate the V input, that is the input voltage at that time. So we know that V input is given 220 sin 100 pi t, sin 100 pi t. So at t is equal to 15 millisecond. So at t is equal to 15 millisecond, V input will become, put the value of t in that expression, that is sin 100 pi t. So 100 pi and time t is 15 millisecond, that is 15 by 1000 second, 15 by 1000 seconds. So 20 cancels, 20 cancels, 5 into 3 is 15 and 5 into 2 is 10, that is 220 sin 3 pi by 2, sin 3 pi by 2. So if we calculate the value of sin 3 pi by 2, so it will become minus cos 0, that is minus 1. So minus 220 volt. So V input at, so sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1, so minus 220 volt. So V input is minus 220 volt at 15 millisecond. So now see the figure. So the V input, is negative. So at t is equal to 15 millisecond, this side is negative and this side is positive. So here the potential in this side is negative and here it is positive, and it is center tap, so the 0 is at the center. So for the diode, now see the diode D1, that is P junction, this is the P junction and this is the N junction. Now the P junction is given a negative potential. So if we give negative potential to the P junction of a diode, then it will be in the reverse bias. So diode D1 is reverse biased. So diode D1 is reverse biased, and D2, for D2, this is the P junction and this is the N junction. So the P junction is given the positive potential. So the diode D2 is forward biased. So D2 is forward biased and D1 is reverse biased. Now see the options. D1 is forward biased. So this is wrong. D1 is reverse biased, D2 is forward biased. So option 2 is correct. D1, D2 both are forward biased? No. D1 and D2 both are reverse biased? No. So D1 is reverse bias and D2 is forward bias. So option 2 is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.